Hi there everybody, this is KellyJean Ghettofinger with Always Stampin' Videos. Thanks for joining me today, and for those of you that subscribe, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I love sharing paper arts with you, and I appreciate those of you who comment and tell me what you think in nice terms of my ideas. So I am happy to share them with you. You can find more ideas on my Instagram at always_stampin', no G on the end, or Facebook at Always Stampin' with Kelly. So today I am going to show you how to create this cute little box to put a little mini album in. Now last week I showed you how to make an accordion mini album gift card holder, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. The one that I have in here is a little different, but today I'm just going to show you the foundation basic box. I'm not going to show you how to decorate it. I will tell you more about that in just a second, but today it's just going to be the foundation, just the box. So this was the little accordion mini album gift card holder that I made last week. So you can find this on my YouTube channel. So just scroll back, it's just one video back. It folds like this. It's so cute, has little pockets and then little journaling cards inside each pocket. It's absolutely adorable. So I show you the entire video, how to make this entire little project start to finish. Typically on my YouTube channels, I only show you the foundation of a project, and that way you can stamp it up yourself, because I like to keep my videos under 10 minutes. That way you have more time to stamp and less time that you're watching a screen. So for today, we're just gonna make this cute little box, okay? And then in September, I am having my Cyber Stamp Club party, and you were invited. I'm going to show you how to create this entire project, start to finish, and I'm going to dress it up just even a little bit more than what it already is. So inside here, I have not just the accordion mini album gift card holder, but it is a double-sided accordion mini album gift card holder. So it's double-sided, and it only takes one sheet of 12 by 12 designer series paper, which is so fantastic, and no adhesive. I used no adhesive in that little album. So, and the box is so cute. It just fits right inside there. And I'm gonna show you how to make the box. So let's get started, because I want this video to be super duper quick. You are going to make this little box using one piece of 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 cardstock. That way you can get 4 of these out of one sheet of cardstock. How fun is that? The first thing you're going to do is score it at 1/4 inch with the 4 1/4 edge to the top of your trimmer. So I've got the 4 1/4 inch edge of my cardstock to the top of the trimmer, and I'm just going to score it at 1/2 inch. Now I'm going to turn my cardstock all the way around, no flipping, just turning, and score it again on the opposite edge at 1/2 inch. Then I'm going to quarter turn, and I'm going to bring it in at 2 1/2 and score it at 2 1/2. I'm going to leave it in and move it to 3 inches and score it at 3 inches. We're done with our paper trimmer, and I'll grab my snips, and then the next thing we're going to do is just snip here on the edges of the 5 1/2 inch edge on both sides. We're going to add adhesive to both the small tabs and then one adjacent tab next to that small tab. I'll show you what I mean in just a second. All right, so see there how the small tab has some adhesive and the large tab there has adhesive. All right, and then we're just going to fold where we just scored. All the tabs, and then we're going to fold here in the center and put it all together. The small tab goes in first, the blank tab goes in last. The small tab, then the large tab with the adhesive, then the large tab with no adhesive. Do that on the opposite side. Small tab with adhesive, large tab with adhesive, no tab with no adhesive. And there you have it. A super duper cute little box to hold your mini accordion album. No, I meant accordion mini album gift card holder. And so be sure to message me on Facebook or Instagram to ask me how you can be a part of my Cyber Stamp Club party coming up in September. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you have a creative day.